Hello everybody, welcome back to StarGirl Beauty channel. If this is the first time you're here, I am your host. My name is Mimi. I hope you enjoy our content, and if you do, I hope you will click the button down below, subscribe to our channel, and be part of our awesome beauty community. Alright, so today, I just want to share with you, you probably already see the thumbnail pictures, that I received my BoxyCharm. And I do receive 2 months at the same time, and there is a reason, and I'll share it with you. Because I heard so many good things from you guys. You all seem to really like BoxyCharm, so I figured I'll give it a try. So I subscribed. And I think I subscribed on about May 28 or May 29, I'm not sure, but it is really the last couple days before the month end. Actually, I am in no rush. I don't really need the May box. I don't really need them to make it up for me. I understand that I joined in the last couple days of the month. It's okay if you want to start me out in the month of June. I have no problem. Last week, I got both the box at the same time, which is the month in May and the month of June. So let me show you in the month of May. It's kind of disappointing actually when I got the month of and the May box. I was disappointed not because of the product. The box came in just like this. There is no card, no liner, no other things, just like this. So I feel like it's just like because I subscribed by the end of the month, they need to rush it out so that I am paying for the month of May, and then something just got thrown in. I don't even have a card telling me what is this, what is the brand, what's the value of the product, nothing like that. And there is no wrapping liner. Really, if you receive something like this, what do you feel? What do you think about? This is it. So then I finally contacted the customer service, and it takes them like quite a few days to get to me. I got an email back from them saying that, okay, you should be receiving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things, but I only have 5 things in my box actually. So I checked the list. I think I'm actually missing one of these. They said there should be 2 and they're different shades, but I only get this one. Nonetheless, this is a very pretty color, but it reminds me so much of ColourPop, which I have like about 50 of these. There is a blush, which they also gave me on their list. Now I have never heard of any of these. It says this one is a limited edition design. It's a blush. What's the brand? Show me your cheek. Yeah, Elizabeth Mott. Okay, so now I recall Elizabeth Mott is the lady that do the this one, Thank Me Later primer. My all-time favorite primer. Oh, okay, so now I got it. Okay, so I take it back. I actually do know 1 out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Okay, so this one I do know. And let me show you the shade. It is called Peach Pink blush. Now I do really like blush. I don't mind to have a lot of blush. It's a clear cap, right? So like that. So I think it's pretty. Okay, it's pretty. Let me try to put it on and see if you can see it. Oh, it's very pigmented too, Yeah, okay, so this one is actually really good. But I just hope that they would give me a card instead, like introducing me to some new product. So this blush I like, and the eyeshadow, why don't I just watch it too since I'm at it. Yeah, so yeah, really this one reminds me so much of ColourPop's. Yeah, so it was a very pretty berry shimmer eyeshadow. And then I hope I can get the other one that was left out. And the other thing I got is this English Laundry number 7. It's a perfume. Okay, so I think I might heard of this brand before, English Laundry. Yeah, I think I might heard of. Isn't that they make clothes? I think they make clothes, and I think I saw their jeans, shirts, and stuff in Nordstrom before. I think so. All right, so perfume, which I rarely use. I really rarely use perfume. Okay, so this is a setting spray, which I'm all about it in summertime. I love it. But this is a dual phase. It helps to set your makeup, energize and revive your skin, filter away. It's to filter your dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. Use under the makeup to prep your skin, or over the makeup to set, or just throughout the day to refresh your skin. Yeah, So that was that kind. Is there any ingredients in there that I need to be? Triglycerin, aloe vera, flower extract. I have to look into that if there is something bad in there. But anyway, dual phase. So you can see there is some oil on top, and this is just liquid down there. So just this much oil. All the rest is just like the water soluble type. So this is okay, you shake it and then you spray it. So that wasn't spray. But this is called, what is this? In Beauty. I guess it's In Beauty. Do you guys know the brand? I don't. So this is a baby hair curler. Look, it's really baby. So I told you guys in my other video that I have a lot of hair. So if I were going to use this, it's gonna take me 2 hours to curl my whole head of hair. But the color I like, little purple. So I think it's really cute. Maybe just to do a little bit front, just do a little bit. I still have to use my other regular curler, I guess. So that was the first box. So I am not complaining on the product. I know how it works in this subscription box. It's the mystery that is the fun part. You never know what you're getting. Sometimes, you know, it's average. Sometimes you could be wow. Sometimes you will be, oh, okay. So I'm not that. I just thought that this box is a little bit, because of the packaging, is a little bit afterthought. So the moral of the story is, if you want to subscribe to any kind of subscription box, do it in the beginning of the month. Don't do it in the last of the month. That's my experience to share with you. Now, and then I also at the same time remember, because I subscribed and the date, and then they ship 2 months to me. So then this is a June box. The June box is good. It has a thick black foam wrapping the stuff up, which I already removed, but that was very good. And then I have a lot of all these cards telling me, you know, there is a thing, BB cream, what are you getting? There is a BoxyCharm card telling me what I'm getting and their value, and you know, stuffs like that, their retail price, which I like, which is exactly what I was looking at in the May box, and it's missing. And I like to read these kind of things because I just like to read it. All right, so I really like it. I have 3 cards. Thank you very much. So this is the box of June, right? So I am showing you what I get. The first thing I get is a foaming face wash. Now it is from Kylie Skin. This is her packaging is really pretty. Kylie, either her makeup or this skincare line is really pretty. Good job, very good. This is a foaming face wash, but this is very interesting. Look at that. It's like very watery, right? But it is foaming. It says that it's a luxurious foaming face wash infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil, packed with vitamin C and E. And we all know all those ingredients, right? And then it is good to remove all the dirt, oil, and makeup. All right. And then the second thing in the June box is this First Aid Beauty body scrub. I have never tried their body products with 10% AHA. How about that? It says I apply onto wet skin and gently massage to your problem area. Now it did not say that to use on your face, okay? Because it's 10% AHA and it's also a scrub. So I will check it out, use it on my hand, and see how this works. Third thing is this Pearlie's Perfect Glow BB cream. I really like foundation and BB CC cream, that kind of stuff. So this one I'll definitely do a full video and a try it on review and stuff like that for you guys. The lady that started this Pearlie's brand is an Asian, so she knows a lot of the Asian, like maybe Chinese traditional, Korean traditional, Japanese aspects when it comes to skincare and makeup. So this is not a bad brand at all. I tried some of their product from Ipsy before and I was not disappointed. So I'm very excited, very happy to receive this BB cream. Thank you very much, BoxyCharm. And then the number 4 is this QMS Matte Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. I might have heard of this from YouTube. Says that formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. High performance lightweight serum specifically designed to hydrate and plump your lips for a smoother, youthful looking appearance. And this one, retail for $200? Maybe you want to check it out. I think I might have heard of this on YouTube. Anyway, thank you very much, BoxyCharm. And then the last product in my June box is what is this? This is an Artist Couture. All right, so I think I actually tried to buy this on Sephora, but I didn't buy it. I put it in a cart, and I removed it in my cart because I thought, no, how much is this? Retail $27. $27, I thought $27, I could have bought a good skincare product too, right? So I removed it, but it came back to me through BoxyCharm. All right, so let me show you. Yeah, because I really want to try this. They're like the Makeup Forever, those star powder. If you know, they're like really finely milled, very glittery, shiny powder for you to play with in your makeup. But this, look at how pretty the jar is. Beautiful. All right, so yeah, so it was like that, and then you can, I think this shade, if this color, you can use it as a highlight if you want, but I'll try to stick it on my eye, try to use it. All right, so in conclusion, I'm really happy with my June box because I feel like this is like I get way over the value that I deserve. You know, like I only paid $25 for this month, but like if this is true and if this product really works, I need to do some research over it. $200. I mean, seriously, right? So, and this size is really big, so I feel like now I feel very guilty. I only paid $25 for the June box. I feel very guilty. But back to the May one that I was complaining about. Look, I don't want to be a negative person, but I already emailed them and telling them that I'm missing one of these, but it's okay. If they don't respond, they don't send it back to me, I'm perfectly fine. I'm okay because I feel like I stole something from them in the June box already anyway to make it up. So I'm not going to complain anymore. Thank you so very much, BoxyCharm. Okay, then I'll just shut up about it. But anyway, thank you so very much for watching this video, and I hope this is not boring. I try not to be too negative, okay? But anyway, thank you very much for listening to me, and don't forget to be the star of the show, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.